This is Buckle Down page 214, Guided Practice. The table below shows the numbers of books checked out of the library by boys and girls in each 5th grade class in one school in January. Make a double bar graph to display the data. Think it through. Give the graph a title. Here's the title: Books Checked Out in January. Choose an interval that will make the graph easy to read. The data are all multiples of 2, so a good interval for this data set is 4. Label the axes. Label the horizontal axis class. Label the vertical axis number of books. How many different colored bars need to be drawn for each class? It needs to be 2 because we need one for boys and one for girls. Make a key next to the graph to tell what each color of bar represents. Okay, here is our double bar graph. Here's the title: Books Checked Out in January. Here is the label for horizontal axis class. Here's the label for vertical axis number of books, and we're counting by 4s: 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, so on. And we have a key. I used shaded bar for boys and clear for girls. For Miss Stewart, we have 16 boys, 22 girls. 16 boys, 22 girls. For Mr. Becker, we have 24 boys, and 18 girls. For Mrs. Louise, we have 20 boys, and 24 girls. For Miss Jones, we have 14 boys and 28 girls. 14 boys, 28 girls. So here is a completed double bar graph. Thanks.